I'm here to smoke my friends. It's shiesty season. Yes, my people, obviously, you know, we're outside team sport. And because we're outside team sport, I'm going to tell you what's going on. I'm here to smoke my friends. None of them are winning today. Look at where we are. I'm here to win the races. These lot decided to come out today. I don't know why. Why did you decide to come out today? They're normally granddads. They're normally granddads though.
Sunday fun day, man.
Sunday what? What you got on there though? What you got on there? What's going on over there?
Alright, cool. We got the J4s. You know what I'm saying?
What's the jeans?
The jeans, M&O thing, American joint. Supreme drip, man. Supreme drip, man. You get me? Supreme King, you know. Crop that.
Supreme King.
Apparently, Bros is gonna win. He's definitely losing. Definitely coming last. Which only leaves one more person.
You know what I got on? Yeah, it's shiesty season. Huh? Yeah, that's the one I'm... Yeah, come different with it, yeah? Say no more, we're gonna see what's going on. Look. I told these boys, you know what I'm gonna do? Today I'm Lewis Hamilton. I'm gonna go around the tracks. These don't wanna crash each other, it's okay, but me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? Let's go, we're gonna see inside. Bro went toilet quick, I hear it. Nervous. I was a bit nervous.
I don't want no distractions.
No distractions, bro. Just went toilet.
No distractions.
Huh?
It's matching the
Yeah. One more.
Oh no. Ooh. It's me now. Let's go. Yes.
Yo guys, so obviously got my hair done today, yeah. Once again, straight studio, just doing their thing as per usual. We won the World Cup, the Club World Cup. Something came in the mail today quickly, yeah. I got a microphone. So now I've got 2 mics, guys, yeah. So you know what's going on when I got 2 mics. I can even start my podcast. Lovely, clear speech. Nah, I just got 2 mics connected, bruv. I'm just rapping with them and them. Normal conversations. Obviously, Dan's got the mic in his hand.
Outside, you know what I'm saying?
What's
we
going
live,
on?
we live.
Yeah, what'd you get?
Cool. You know
what
we're not done.
This one got a little
Yeah.
This one got a quick
Man, never say
jeans.
we're not done. I'm most definitely done.
Yeah, fair enough. Respect. You see me? I just need a t-shirt and a hat. Once I get a t-shirt and a hat, I'm sorted. Right now, I just got my little Zara bag and everything there.
Man
and
got,
you got Dan's.
Man got a 1 jeans. Oh, po. Now I'm gonna go buy some Supreme Airs. Oh my god.
A little Supremers to go with what?
It's expensive, you know.
You know, remember I told you, yeah? The jeans he got, they're gonna drop nice to the fit. Remember I showed you?
This was recommended by Broski.
Come on.
Yeah, let me know what you lot think.
Let me know
you get me.
Shall I be a stylist? I'm gonna show you, man.
All them already, man.
Stylist, huh? He told him to get these jeans, He told him.
Broski told me, I ain't gonna lie.
Huh?
You know, fuck up, get
You see me? Stylist. Stylist. I told him, relax. I told him, relax. I told him, what did I say about the jeans?
Let's go.
Yeah. Cold.
I'm in Vapiano's right now, you feel me? Obviously, I ordered a chicken Alfredo. And with my chicken Alfredo, I done a customization. Yeah, no problem, brother. I done a customization thing. And with I added extra sauce, cream sauce, I added king prawns. And what else did I add? Yeah, that was it. But you're gonna see the order when it comes live. And I got these 2 drinks for £7. These 2 drinks for £7? Nah. Thank you, brother.
It's fine.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You post on Instagram?
Thank you, brother, yeah? Blessings. Cheers. I'm trying to show you guys, yeah? You cannot go wrong with a Vapiano. You can't go wrong with this. Let's give it a taste.
Vapiano.
Yeah, guys, look. We got a new tee from Zara quickly. It's got something on the back. Can't really show you because the camera doesn't reach there. But look, right now, I'm a bit nervous. I'm going to a new barber. Because my previous barber's just not doing it, man. You get it? Now, I'm going to go get a... Oh, relax, Soames. I'm going to go get a shape up. See what it's saying. Yeah? Guys, wish me luck. I'm not trying to mess up my hair. But guys, right now, we're with JL. Yeah? We're going to do a fit check. Let's see what JL's got on today. Let's see. Yeah?
We just got... Guys, sorry, let me introduce myself. Hold on a sec.
Chat to them.
It's JL. You already know who it is by now.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Swaggy. Let's see the hat. What you got on the hat, though?
Supreme. Always representing.
Go on. You got on the tee?
Little Supreme.
Oh, another Supreme as well. Let's tell them relax. Yeah, alright. Let's go down. Jeans.
Don't even know the brand, but do you know?
But it's nice though.
But it's nice,
Fits.
though.
Do you get it?
It's
And then you got the
nice,
Fazos.
It's a bit, you get me?
You get it? Back in the day, I used to have crease Air Forces.
The Cirocs.
So did he.
The Cirocs.
He used to have crease Air Forces as
No,
well.
I don't. No, I don't.
If I try to argue, say I love you, tell me would you push or pull?
Push up,
100,000 dirhams, you and your friend can go and spend.
Flipping, we telling them with the drip though. What's going on over there, man? Chat to them. Let them know what's going on. Let me see the tea quickly. Little Amiri, little that's got with a alright then. You got Jaya over there. Sporting. Yeah, quickly. Look at him.
Over there, go over there. Hey!
Look at him. Yeah, man.
What man them?
What about what got man them, bro? Look, but
You're blacklisted, bro.
look what time you arrived, fam.
Come on, man.
Yeah, come on, man, innit?
Looking like a homeless
Shelter.
Started flying around the planet. You were standing in the book.
I was lying on the hammock.
Asked about me, I had stacks.
I did.
I made 50 bags off a snapback.
You comprende?
Got myself into this situation. You can't blame me. There's all this money in the road.
Fucking chat to them.
Then I'm tearing this bitch. I'm saying quick 440.
What did I tell you about the jeans though? What did I tell you about the jeans though?
Yeah.
What did I tell him about the jeans though?
You're going down low, you got the young bit.
Yeah. You telling me? Wow, he thinks he's hinged, man. He thinks he.
Boy D moves, Ricky guarantee. More life, my boy D as well.
Hey. More life D moves. Free up, man.
Hey, come, let's go to the function.
Let's go to the functions that way.
Wait, I need a picture, man.
Message to my baby, this is not a letter. If she wanna leave me, promise I'ma let her. I will not forget her, I will not forgive her. Let a nigga take her. Promise I would never. You my Cinderella, super Tinderella. Pop would always tell her, gotta keep your head up. Ain't nobody better, ain't nobody better. I could love you better, I could fuck you better. You're so beautiful when I look you in your eyes. And you got a booty so beautiful, you're a cutie pie. And you always make me nuts so fast, I just wonder why. Tryna figure why. Leave me, I might cry. Leave me, I might die. I'ma turn to a suicide. Turn to a real do or die. Niggas know you my cutie pie. Bitches know you my cutie pie. So to see that so nice, you will fly. Ain't scared, no reply. Like damn. Message to my baby, this is not a letter. If she wanna leave me, promise I'ma let her. I will not forget her, I will not forgive her. Let a nigga take her, promise I will never.